You see? Look at that, guys. You see? See, guys?
Fish on, guys. Oh shit, fish on, guys. We're making shore fishing. Fish on.
Woohoo! Fairly even low tide, guys. Let's see what we can pick up in this low tide. It's very low this evening. That water is very low. How low can you go? Hope I don't get hitched up. And this is it, guys. Welcome back to the channel another time. I was out earlier today trying to thing that didn't work out because I had to leave. So now this evening I'm like, all right, you know what? Let me give this a shot this evening and see what I can possibly pick up. It's very low tide here. It's crazy trying this here. I'm better off going over here on them rocks over there. I'll get away with it in this low tide. It's kind of tricky in this low tide at times. You got to be careful. You know what I'm saying? Probably get hit by a small barra or something. Small snapper. That's how it is. But there's a lot of seaweed in this. See if I can switch up in a bit and switch the location. Coming in with that wave, keep on touching that floor. That's not good. You don't want to do that with a lure. Definitely don't want to do that, guys. That pier is very low too, so I'm not going to get much of a cast out that side either. Lots of reef here. I got to be extremely careful I don't get hitched up. If not, I'm going to lose that lure. I'm going to have to go in that water for it, one of the two. I'm getting chased by a small jack, real small. We'll get a little bit more deeper waters on this side. Trying to keep it above that reef and just run it in, guys. Let's see what's up. Have to get out for a little bit this evening. I almost got hit by a rock a while ago. That wasn't good. Try to get out as much as you can, guys. And if there's something in that region that's going to be hanging out, it's going to be a barra. I'm sure of that. Barras like hanging out in these areas. That's their thing. They won't hit it the first time. They'll hit it like after they see it like touch that water a couple of times, and then bam, then they're at it. You gotta be extremely careful when the tide is this low. We'll take it on them rocks though, guys. I'm probably gonna leave my car here and walk around, but shit, I don't like doing that. Alright, let me turn the car around, guys. And then I'll walk those rocks right there, and those are pretty good distance for me to walk. Yeah, guys, so taking a little walk. It's early evening, so I decided to come out. It's low tide. There's this old pier that's back here that I like fishing on at times. You might pick up a barrel, you might not. So I said, you know what? Let me take it around here real quick. I didn't want to walk the distance. I really was not up in the mood for it. But I said, you know what? Nothing tried, nothing done, guys. Why not? So we'll hit this pier right here, coming up on the right. And I've caught a couple of barras over here, a couple of fish. I've caught a couple of fish, but it's low tide. I don't know how much of a cast I'm gonna get off of it, but this is normally underwater, all of this stuff. So stress reliever, guys. This is when you have a thorn in your finger and I'm trying to figure out a way to get it out. Oh shoot. I seen something run a while ago. I don't know what the heck that was. Let's see what's up. Cast and I seen something swim that way a while ago, guys. I chartreuse lure in this dark water. All the way out there, guys. nothing yet. So nothing promised, guys. I haven't hit something on this spot in a long time. It's been a while since I hit something this side. And if I do hit something this side, hopefully it's good. Last time I hit something here was like a 5-pound barra, guys. But I'm set up for it, just in case. This is what you call stress relieving. Getting rid of the thorn in the fingers, guys. Think about ways of how you're gonna pluck that sucker out. That's it. That's it, guys. Making sure fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. This is how we do it all the time. We don't play with it, guys. Keep it 100. Working that chartreuse lure through the water, guys. And I'm not picking up any activity or any chases or nothing like that yet, guys. That's odd. And I got good depths of water here. Maybe I should slow the lure down a little bit. Who knows? Sunset, as you guys can see. Sun's setting on me. Alright, we're gonna pull it over there on the rocks a bit. I'm gonna send it out here a little bit more and see if I can get some sort of hook up here. And nothing. Damn, that's crazy. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Yeah, I've caught a few octopus back here already. They be octopus in these rocks sometimes, guys. You gotta look out. You see them crawling around on the rocks out here, trying to feed and stuff like that. Big ones too. This is all normally underwater, guys. So you must know how low the tide is. And how far out we're walking on this. What? Go down here and see if we can pick something up out there, guys. Nothing. Alright, we'll keep it moving and move down to the next spot. That's why I came up here and turned around. So I wasn't planning on coming up here, but I know the tide was going to be very low up here if it was low further down. So I'm going to try to hit those rocks straight ahead down there, guys. I don't know if you guys can see all the way down there. But I'm going to drive down and then walk the rocks down there before it gets dark and see if I can pick something up. Stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, shore fishing. So yeah, guys, so I moved from down there. See, the sunset's still setting. Got a whole bunch of bait fish jumping right here. Yeah, jackfish. Ooh, look at all the bait fish, guys. Look at that. Wow, look at that, whole bunch of bait fish. Ooh, you're here. He's here. I'll be watching both these sides, guys. Yeah, that'd be definitely in here. Bait fish. Look at all the bait fish, guys. Running back to the school of bait fish again. Lots of bait fish here, guys. These barracudas love ambushing. See, I couldn't reach this far from the other side. So. Nothing, guys. Not yet. Yo, one day I had a barracuda run up on my lure here, guys. And the jet ski guy pulled up at the same time, like he was trying to say hi or something like that. I was so upset. I was like, the hell are you saying hi to me for? I'm like, you didn't just see my fish? I was upset. I was really upset about that day. So sometimes when you're at peace, you're out here at peace fishing, you really don't want all the disturbance. I know there's a barra around here someplace. That bugger is hanging out because there's lots and lots of food. He's around here. See, guys, I just bait fish all underneath this pier, all around the pier. So there has to be jacks, barras, one of them hanging around here. I'm just waiting for that smash. That whoosh. Get a few more casts around this pier. I must get somebody's attention. Get out, way out. Alright, I'm gonna try a different lure. Switch off and see if I can go deeper with a bigger lure. And see what's up. There, guys, so I'm gonna throw a little bit bigger lure out. I see something jump up there in the water out there. Fish on, guys. Oh shit, fish on, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Fish on. Woohoo! Lizard fish, guys, look at that. That's what's up. Grabbed it. He was out there. Little lizard fish. We know we're gonna grab something. It was a matter of time. That's what's up, guys. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. That's what's up. That is it. So that is it, guys. We're gonna let this guy go. I don't think I'm gonna keep him though. Let's get that prize off and get him up. I'm not trying to get a hook in my hand this time again, guys. I've gotten a few hooks in my hands this month, and we're not trying to do that again this month. Last month. So this month, you see? Look at that, guys. You see? You see, guys? Fish flashing hooks around that darn thingy. So I try my best to keep my hands free, away from the flash. And that's what you don't want, guys. A lizard fish was the first fish to hook me with a hook already. So I didn't realize a lizard fish would have grabbed it. Huh? You a little bit still. I'll let you go this time. Alright? Yeah, he's gone, guys. He's good to go. Catch and release, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Just as that sun is going down, right, guys? Look at that. Nice. Most beautiful thing you ever seen in your life, guys, in Jamaica. It's that sunset. Love it. Puts me at peace. I can get out of here and de-stress sometimes. My hard week, rough week. Sometimes it's not even your week. It's the people that you deal with that drains your energy. And you have people in this world, guys, that come and they live to create disaster and drain other people's energy because they can't create their own energy or their own legacy and create their own movements. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes you gotta see with that. You know what I'm saying, guys? That lizard fish, boy, he hit that lure. Look how big he was compared to the lure size. And this is an attractive lure, guys. Lizard fish catch. We just let that one go. He was kind of small, guys. We don't want to keep that. With the barrelets down, the lizard fish gets down. That's what's up, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Oh. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican shore fishing, and stay tuned for more epic, exciting adventures with Jamaican shore fishing, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. Appreciate you guys for joining the channel and support me. Just remember to smash that like button if you haven't done it yet. See something come up big now and hit it thinking it's the top water. Wash! Wusso! Whoop, whoop. Wow, I see something come up right there, guys. Ooh. Something came up over there a while ago, just chasing that lure. Chasing those. Something big came up over there a while ago, guys. I'm gonna continue casting out to see if I can hook it. That looked really big, like a tarpon or a big barra or something come up over there a while ago. Just casting out, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. See what we can pick up here in the evening. I just hooked that lizard fish. Hopefully we can get something a little bit bigger. I seen something chase something up there. I don't know if that was a shark or what it was, but I know this lure makes a lot of noise. Ooh, see something run up. See all them fish run out of the way a while ago. Yeah, that was pretty far off of me, guys. I can't reach out that far, but the lure will create a whole bunch of noise that I need to be making under that water. Anything's within region, they're gonna hear it. Wondering what all that splashing's all about and all that rattling. I seen it come up and chase some other fish a while ago or earlier. I don't know what the heck that was. I seen a fin, like a dorsal fin or something. No more. I don't see him jumping up anymore, or any jumps coming from that side anymore, guys. well, I guess this will be my final cast for the evening, guys. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch ads, guys. Definitely thank you guys. Yeah, time to take it home, guys. Hi, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Thank you guys for joining the channel, guys. Bless up yourself. Appreciate you guys all the time. And tune in for more epic, exciting adventure with Jamaican Shore Fishing, guys. I appreciate all you guys, each and every one. So, like I said, guys, big up yourselves. Thumbs up. We out.